Previous day we studied about shareware. So today's topic is copylefted software. Copylefted software. So the copylefted software is a free software whose distribution terms ensure that all the copies of all the version carry more or less of the same distribution terms. So this means that for an instant that copyleft license is generally disallow others to add additional requirement to the software and require making source code available. So this is act as a shield of that program. So it's a modified version and from some of the common ways to making the program proprietary. So copylefted software means there is such a type of software. So here we can add some restrictions on this copylefted software. So the restriction on means that here copylefted license is generally disallow. It is not allow others to add additional requirement to the software. If the any others cannot add any additional requirement to the currently software and making required to the source code is available. So then two cases it uh, provide some rules like there is no need to add additional requirement to the existing program and the require making of source code is available. So this is act as a shield of that program. Shield means it can be protect that program from such cases like it is not need to not possible to modification or making that program to proprietary software. So this is means a copylefted software. So copylefted means can add some license like it disallow the additional requirement to the program and making the source code available. So by adding to this license to the copylefted software, so any further programmers cannot modify that version of program and they cannot add any additional requirement and they cannot make that software as a proprietary software. So this is mean by copylefted software. So from this copylefted software our definition part is over. In the previous day we studied about the some definition related to open source philosophy. So we complete that part. Then we move to the next part is called license and domains of open source technology. So there are mainly three or four types of license and domains are there. So here the main license used for open source technology is GNU's GPL. GPL means General Public License. So this is the common used open source license. So GPL means General Public License is probably one of the most commonly license used for open source project. So here this license widely in the right to developers who work on open source projects. Basically it allows the users to copy, distribute and modify the softwares. So by using general public license a user can copy the software, distribute the software and charge a fee to the distribute the software. So make whatever modification to the software you want. So these four type of cases possible for by using GPL license. Copy the software means copy the software as many times as needed. There is no limit to the number of copies. Once can make any number of time we can copy that software. So next terms under this license is distribute the software however you want. So you can distribute. There is no restriction of distribution method and style. So you can copy in the form of printed or in the form of web link form. You can send that link or you can send that printed full code. There is no problem of distribution of this software. Then next main important thing is charge a fees to the distribution of software. So after modifying software even you can charge for that software for a like explain why you are charging the software for. Then you can add there is one explanation of charging them by software should still be under in GPL license. So here after any modification of software you can add some money to that software for any further distribution. That is also under this license. So the last one is make whatever modification you want. So you can freely make any modification for GNU GPL software. So these are the main four things under that license. General public license anybody can